First thing you want to do, you want to start with a clean face. You want to put an eye primer, but because I don't have one, I'm going to use this face primer. I'm going to warm it up on my hand and put it on my top eyelid and then my bottom eyelid. Next, you want to use a skin colored eyeshadow to set your eye primer. Now, take a mid-tone brown and then map out the shape of the eyeshadow that you want to achieve. You can do that by shading your crease, your outer corners, and then your under eyelid. Next, you want to take a cooler, darker brown eyeshadow and then you want to shade the outer corner of your eyes. And then the inner corner too. You want to create a halo effect. And don't forget to do that on the other eye. Don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the dream. You also want to mirror the same effect on the under eye. Try myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Now with a blending brush, blend out the edges of the eyeshadow that we've applied earlier. Now with a pewter colored eyeshadow, you want to use that color to help shade the gradient towards the center, but we're not applying the color to the center of the eye yet. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why? Now we're gonna take the old school 120 palette, and now we're gonna take this army green shimmery color. And now, as you can see, the color is not that great quality because it's really old, so I'm trying to use my setting spray to help intensify the color. Then when I try it, it doesn't really do much, but I'm going along with it anyway. We're using this color to fill in the blank spaces on our eyelids, blending it out towards the sides, and then we do that on top. And our bottom eyelid. Blending it out. And now it should look like this.
Now take a champagne colored eyeshadow and use this color to highlight the highest points of our eyeballs.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
Now using a darker army colored eyeshadow, we want to deepen the outside corner of our eyes.
Don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me now.
If you don't have a darker army colored eyeshadow, you can always mix in a little bit of brown with the green that we used earlier.
Yeah, just something you get used to. Yeah, go blame the drum blows. Yeah, it's just the drum blows. Yeah, walk around like who you.
Now this is the star of the show. I'm using the Catrice Spectra Light eyeshadow. It's a dual chrome multi-chrome eyeshadow. I lost the footage, but I'm using this under my eyes for the inner corner to get that multi-dimensional look. I also cleaned up under my eyes and put on some foundation and concealer.
Something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Next, you want to or may not want to apply your contour. If you usually go with your contour, then go ahead and apply your contour on both your right and left cheek. And just in case you detect that some of these voiceover feels a little bit choppy, well, because I'm recording it in the course of several days. Okay, now I'm applying my blush. And I apply it first on the apples of my cheek, and then I'm kind of draping it upwards, back towards the cheekbones, but not really on the cheekbones, you know, just, you know, drape backwards. And next, I'm applying my under eye brightener, banana powder, whatever, to kind of help hide the crevices on my eyes. And then next, I'm applying my nose contour. Now I just set my brows using my brow mascara. This one is by Wardah. It's pretty good. Not the best though, but okay.
You be making moves that who really care what Simon say.
So basically what I did when my camera died, I put on some lipstick. So I mixed a little bit of mixed a little bit of nude lipstick and a little bit of pink to create this pinky nude kind of mood. And then I did a little bit of touch up, maybe a little bit of highlight. Well, you did miss a lot, but that's not a lot. You can still figure it out according to your taste.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.